You know what? You know what? I'm on the phone right now with my buddy Hunter, and he's heading here so we can take care of this deal on the Civic, right? And he said, the address you gave me took me to this school. And I'm like, no, it didn't. And he said, well, I pushed the button on my phone, and it took me. I said, I don't know what button you pushed, but it did not take you where I told you to go.
Alright, I'm like 10 minutes from your house.
Alright, I'll see you in a few.
Alright, see ya.
What's going on, guys? Three Wheels on the Block. I know you're looking behind me like, what is that? That is not a garage. Nope. But that is. More about that later. Anyway, Hunter is heading this direction because we're going to take care of an exhaust issue on his Honda Civic. If you remember the video, yeah, this video here. Anyway, he's going to take care of getting his exhaust fixed on this Honda Civic or changed or whatever you want to call it. So he's heading this way right now. We're going to get this exhaust fixed because he's been waiting for like 6 months. So, you know, it's definitely time to get it done. So we're going to fill you in on action. I'll be with you in just a minute. So to try to save myself from pain and suffering, I'm going to run to the parts store in lieu of sending Hunter, so we don't have to go to the parts store 5 times. So we're going to run, grab what we need, and get started. Alright, it's not required to take the wheel off the car to get the exhaust work done, but it will give a little bit better access to the top portion. It needs to be welded in. So Hunter's finding the lug nut so we can take that off, and we have it jacked up, and we use a jack stand because we all know how Hunter feels about using ramps.
I don't like them.
He doesn't like them. So if you don't know why Hunter doesn't like ramps, check out this video. I'll put a link right here in the description of how not to use drive-on ramps. And we're also going to throw a little window swag on there for him right here. That's right. We're going to go in here and take this little muffler out and install it. I do not like these Sawzall blades right here. I don't know if you guys can see these or not. I'll post a picture here because these, this Craftsman professional metal cutting blade multi-pack, right? These things are professionally dull. They're professionally dull. That's all they are. This is one of my old muffler blades. I'm going to use this because this will pack right through that thing. He's asking me where his keys are, like I know. Yep. Alright, cut off. How you know?
It's not as bad as I thought it sounded, but it sounds worse, honestly.
position that Hunter has chosen. Right there. You guys heard it from the horse's mouth. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing welded in place, and then we'll do some more audio clips. All right, let's go. So we got it on. We're going to do a sound test with the silencer in and with the silencer out. I've got to go ahead and actually weld in the bracket to hold that muffler because the jack stand is the only thing holding it up right now. So we'll do that and we'll do a sound test. All right, get that jack stand. Let's get this thing dropped down. The jack stand under the car. Yep. Turn it counterclockwise. Boy, it's dangerous.
I used to it.
All right, let's do a test run with the silencer in, and then we'll pull it out and. You can go ahead and start it up. You sure? Yep, go ahead.
I think I like that better.
All right, take down the road. Thank you, man. It's always fun with Hunter. You know, he always, always brings me something exciting to do. So that, guys, is the sound clip of this was an eBay muffler, wasn't it? Yeah. So stock exhaust back to where the muffler was at. We used a couple of adapters, a small piece of flex pipe, and put the muffler on there. It sounds good. There's no rasp, there's no rattle, no repop. It's just got a nice clean sound. I'm a little surprised. What about you?
Yeah, I'm very surprised.
So it sounds really good. So if you guys were wondering about the eBay muffler, that's what it sounds like on an 05 Honda Civic EX Special Edition, whose name is, I'll drop the name here. And I know Hunter's got to get to work, so we're going to let him do what he's got to do. I was surprised at how well the car sounded. No raspiness, nothing like that. Anyway, smash that like, drop me a comment below. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you on the next one.